chicken, Chinese chicken, fruity chicken, chicken and wild rice, 4 cheesy green salad recipes, 5 types. I am Mohammed Khaled Zubair. I made this video for all. Chicken salad. Chicken salad is a family favorite. It does not have to be laden with excess fat to be tasty and enjoyable. A tasty and healthy chicken salad recipe will contain boneless, skinless chicken breast, low-fat or fat-free mayonnaise and other flavorful additions. Fruity chicken salad 4C. Boneless, skinless chicken breast, cooked and coarsely chopped 1/4 cup sliced celery, 2 tsp chopped green onion, 4 ounces pineapple chunks, save the juice, 1 cup seedless grapes, 1/4 cup dark raisins, 1 Granny Smith or your favorite apple, chopped 1/4 c slivered almonds, 1 c fat-free mayonnaise, 1 tsp Dijon mustard, 1/2 teaspoon curry powder, optional, 2 tablespoon pineapple juice. Mix mayonnaise, curry powder, and lemon juice in a small bowl. In a larger bowl, combine celery, green onion, grapes, raisins, apples, almonds and chicken. Combine and refrigerate. This will give the ingredients a chance to blend. Yield 6 servings. Each serving has 225 calories, 5 grams. Fat, 608 milligrams. Sodium and 24 grams carbs. Quick and easy chicken salad. Combine 1 can white meat chicken with 2c. Shredded carrots and 2c. Celery, chopped. Add a 1/4 c. Onion, chopped. Add just enough low-fat or fat-free mayonnaise to moisten. Add a 1/2 can shoestring potatoes just before it is served. Spicy chicken dinner salad. 2 boneless skinless chicken breast, cooked and coarsely chopped, a 1/2 cup fat-free Italian dressing, a 1/2 cup chopped celery, a 1/4 cup chopped sweet onion, a 1/2 green pepper, chop 2 cups cooked elbow macaroni or cooked ziti. Place chunked chicken in a Ziploc-type storage bag with the salad dressing. Leave for at least 4 hours. Since the chicken is cooked, it is not necessary to drain the salad dressing. Add the remaining ingredients and toss lightly. Add additional fat-free dressing as needed. This is a delicious Untitled copyright or side for your dinner. Cocktail chicken sandwiches. 1 loaf party rye or pumpernickel bread, 1 can all-white chicken, drained, a 1/2 cup celery, finely chopped, a 1/4 cup sweet onion or green onion, finely chopped, 1 cup seedless white grapes quartered. 1 cup fat-free Thousand Island salad dressing, 4 radishes, sliced thin. More if necessary. Mix chicken with celery, onion, grapes and salad dressing. Spread evenly on party rye or pumpernickel bread. Top the sandwich and garnish with a slice of radish for added color. Your selection of potential combinations for low-fat recipes is endless. They do not have to be boring. There are a great selection of fat-free salad dressings that can be used in place of full-fat dressings. The low or fat-free mayonnaise is also tasty, according to your favorite brand. The food industry is attempting to help everyone achieve a healthier lifestyle if they so choose. By varying the dressings, instead of sticking with mayonnaise, you have created a new low-fat recipe. Chinese chicken salad. I like variety in food. My wife knows this well. I have even created a cookbook for our home that consists of 28 4-course meals. None of them alike. I am not big on eating my veggies and salads, but I know I need to for the health benefits. So have come up with a great variety of veggies and salads that even I can enjoy. This is one of the salads I can really get into. 6 large servings. 1/4 cup Italian salad dressing. 3 tablespoons white vinegar. 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1/2 tablespoon salt. 1. For the dressing, combine these ingredients in a jar and shake it well. 2 chicken breast halves, boiled and shredded. 1 9-ounce package raw Asian-style noodles, thin cut, deep-fried to brown, then broken into pieces. 1 head iceberg lettuce, shredded. 4 green onions, chopped. 2 tablespoons toasted almonds, chopped. 2 tablespoons toasted sesame seeds. 2. Combine these ingredients in a large bowl. 3. At serving time, combine the dressing with the salad and serve immediately. Make sure that you do not mix the salad dressing with the salad beforehand. The lettuce and the noodles will get soggy and soft. This is a great salad to go with any other Chinese dish, but it can stand on its own for a nice quick and light dinner or lunch. It already has nice, lean chicken breast in it and noodles for carbohydrates, so all you might want to add is some fortune cookies to give it that extra Chinese touch. Fruity chicken salad. Chicken salad is a great quick light recipe to make for the summer. I love sub sandwiches, and there is a fast food sub place I frequent a lot, but I won't mention them here. You'll have to guess who they are. Here's a hint: some man named Jared lost a lot of weight eating them. Anyway, they have added one of my favorite sandwiches back to their menu for the summer. Even though they are relatively a cheap place to eat, I still like trying to cut corners on spending as little money as possible. I like coming up with my version of how I make something you buy at a fast food restaurant. It's healthier, cheaper, and probably tastes better than the original. Here, I will share my fruity chicken salad sub. This is a recipe where you can put your own creativity into what ingredients you like in your sub sandwich. Ingredients: 12 to 16 ounces canned chicken, 1/2 cup grapes, red, green or both, 1 celery stalk, 1/2 onion, 1/2 cup mayo, 1 peach yogurt cup, 1 teaspoon rosemary, 2 tablespoons dill, 1/4 cup green peppers, 1/2 cup of raisins, cranberries, almonds, spinach, black olives, hot pepper, jack cheese, cucumbers. In a large mixing bowl, add the canned chicken drained. Chop your onions, celery and green pepper small and add to chicken. Add the fruit mix with almonds in along with the grapes. Add the mayo and peach yogurt and mix well with the ingredients. Add the dill and salt and pepper to season. Don't skimp on the dill, it gives the salad a nice flavor after it's been in the refrigerator. The longer in the fridge the better tasting. Choose your favorite bread. I use any kind of bread, but if I'm making subs, I will use an Italian loaf or French bread. I cut the loaf in half, then slice the half, separating the top and bottom. I use 2 slices of pepper jack cheese to line the bottom bread, then top with my cold chicken salad. You are ready to dress your sandwich. I like lots of black olives, spinach and cucumbers lined neatly across the sandwich. You can choose whatever toppings for your sandwich according to your taste. I don't use any other dressing on mine because the mayo and peach yogurt is enough, but you can. Fold the sandwich together and you have fruity chicken subs. Chicken and wild rice salad. Healthy eating. Healthy eating means different things to different people. It can range from low fat to complex carbohydrates and high fiber. A great rule of thumb is to eat a wide variety of unprocessed foods. Adding raw fruits and vegetables to your diet is a great place to start. Cut down your red meat intake, add a little chicken into your diet, as well as fish. Research the types of foods that you want to incorporate into your diet. It only takes a few moments with the internet literally at your fingertips. Your health is worth the time. Healthy eating is a choice. Everyone has the choice whether to eat healthy or not. If you desire a longer and better quality of life, choosing include healthy eating habits into your lifestyle is a smart choice. Eating more raw foods gives your body the proper nutrients that it needs to fight off disease. Healthy eating may not fight off everything, but a great place to begin. If you have to eat out, just take the time to choose carefully off the menu. These days restaurants offer more healthy choices, even for those of you who are gluten intolerant. You can even try writing down what you eat in any given day and then compare how you feel. Example, if you eat fast food for lunch, hamburger and fries, one day and on another day you have a healthy grilled chicken salad, make note of the difference in how you feel when you go back to work or your regular routine. Healthy eating is a great start, but add a little exercise in with that and before you know it you will be feeling lighter, have more energy, and that sluggish feeling that many people deal with after eating not so healthy will disappear. Healthy eating information. There is an abundance of information for healthy eating, nutrition and recipes. So many recipes in fact that you would never have to eat the same thing twice. Once you start eating healthier you will find that your cravings for not so healthy choices will begin to disappear. Take the time to look through the cookbooks available online or at your favorite bookstore. Find one that you know will work for your lifestyle. You may be surprised at how easy it is to eat healthy. Healthy eating recipe: chicken curry and wild rice salad. Ingredients: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breast, poached and cut into chunks. 2 cups wild rice, soaked overnight. 4 carrots, diced. 3 stalks of celery, diced. A 1/4 to 1/2 cup currants. A 1/4 cup raw sliced almonds. A 1/4 cup raw sunflower seeds. 4 green onions, chopped. Dressing: A 1 cup veganized or light mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon curry powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon lemon or lime juice, salt and pepper to taste. Directions: 1. Poach chicken and allow to cool. Prepare rice as directed on package. 2. Mix all ingredients together and add dressing. 3. Refrigerate and allow to chill. 4. Ready to serve. When preparing this recipe you can adjust the spices to your palate. You can add other fresh vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, etc. 4 cheesy green salad recipes. While salad eaters can enjoy their greens with just oil or simple dressing, newbies of a healthy lifestyle may find it hard to do so. They would want to have a variety of ingredients along with the leafy veggies like cheese, nuts and seeds. Cheese adds a delicious taste that perfectly complements the bitter, peppery or sweet flavor of leafy greens without overwhelming it. Here are 4 green salad recipes made more delicious with cheese, blue and green salad. What you need: 6 cups to freeze leaves, 1 avocado, sliced, 1/4 cup crumbled blue cheese, 1/4 cup sliced almonds, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1 1/2 tablespoons red wine vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon honey, 1/4 teaspoon Dijon mustard, kosher salt and black pepper to taste. Toast the almonds in an oven, 350 degrees Celsius, for 3–5 minutes until golden brown. Combine olive oil, red wine vinegar, honey, Dijon mustard, salt and pepper in a large bowl. Add almonds, frisee leaves, avocado slices and blue cheese. Toss to cold ingredients. Feta herb salad. What you need: 6 cups mixed herb greens of your choice, 1 cup broken pita chips, 1 cup grape tomatoes, halved, 1/2 cup crumbled feta cheese, 1 yellow bell pepper, sliced. 1/2 clove garlic, crushed. 3 tablespoons olive oil. 1 1/2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice. Salt and black pepper to taste. Mix together garlic, olive oil, lemon juice, salt and black pepper in large bowl. Throw in the greens, tomatoes, bell pepper, pita chips and feta cheese and toss the coat ingredients evenly. Season with more salt and pepper if needed. Cheddar, arugula and peach salad. What you need: 6 cups arugula, 1 peach, sliced. 1/4 cup sharp white cheddar chunks. 1/4 cup pecans. 3 tablespoons olive oil. 1 1/2 tablespoons red wine vinegar. 1/2 teaspoon Dijon mustard. 1/2 teaspoon honey. Kosher salt and ground black pepper to taste. Toast the pecans in an oven, 350 degrees Celsius, for 5–6 minutes until fragrant. Allow to cool, chop and set aside. Whisk together olive oil, red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, honey, salt and black pepper in large bowl. Place the arugula, peach slices, cheddar chunks and chopped pecans in the bowl and toss to coat. Garlic Parmesan green salad. What you need: 2 cups Towarn Bib lettuce leaves. 2 cups Towarn Esquil leaves. 2 cups Towarn romaine lettuce leaves. 6 plum tomatoes, halved. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1/2 cup balsamic vinegar. 1/4 cup low-sodium chicken broth. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 tablespoon grated Parmesan cheese. Salt and pepper to taste. Mix plum tomatoes, esquirrel, bib and romaine lettuce leaves in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk together garlic, vinegar, chicken broth, olive oil, lemon juice, Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper. Pour the dressing over leafy greens and serve. Now it's easier to have a healthy bowl of green salad because of delicious cheeses we love. Try these recipes and get into the healthy lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Channel name Khaled Zubair.